Hello everyone, we are Team Golden Bucks presenting SmartCarbonTrack, an AI-powered carbon intelligence and sustainability management platform designed specifically for manufacturing industries. Most industries still rely on spreadsheets and manual reporting to monitor emissions. This makes carbon counting slow, error-prone and difficult to analyze. SmartCarbonTrack solves this by providing a centralized platform where organizations can measure, analyze and predict their report carbon emissions in real time. For login, we have two portals. One is for plant manager, another one is for admin. Let's check out the plant manager first. After login, once we enter the dashboard, this is our central dashboard where management gets a complete overview of environmental performance. Here we can instantly monitor total carbon emissions, carbon credits, renewable energy usage, emission reduction progress and overall sustainability score. So instead of manually calculating sustainability metrics every month, everything is automatically visualized here. Let's move to data entry. For data entry, the plant manager needs to enter its monthly data such as grid power consumption, renewable power, furnace oil with the month. Let us check for July month. After filling out the data, once submitted, the system automatically calculates carbon emissions using predefined emission factors and stores the information securely in the database. After clicking on Submit Data, it directly takes you to the dashboard. This removes manual calculations and significantly reduces reporting errors. Here we can see all the things are aligned properly. Moving on to the analytics page. After collecting operational data, SmartCarbonTrack transforms it into actionable insights. Users can monitor monthly, quarterly and yearly emissions. Comparative visualization help identify emission hotspots across different facilities or operational periods. And then one of our key innovations is AI-powered forecasting. Using historical operational data, a machine learning model predicts future carbon emissions over the next several years, like after 3 years, after 5 years, after 10 years. Here is the simulation sliders where we can check the what if condition for our whatever needs in the future it could be. These are scenarios we can change, and according to it the things will change. Instead of only reporting the past, organizations can proactively plan reduction strategies before emissions can become critical. SmartCarbonTrack also generates professional sustainability reports with a single click. Reports include KPIs, emissions, summaries, charts and trend analysis. In report category, we can choose different whatever. We have to get report printed. Once we click export PDF, you can print the entire summary as a report. If I click on export Excel, it will show me a file that a Excel file is being downloaded. So this dramatically reduces the time required for ESG reporting and management presentations. Now we are going to log out and check for admin portal as well. After entering the correct credentials, we enter the admin dashboard. Here the admin can manage users, industries, operational records and monitor overall platform activity. This role-based architecture ensures secure access while maintaining centralized control across the organization. An admin can see all the active plants, delete it and add another plant if needed. Clicking on a plant insights, it can get the overall insights of the plant. as well as select different months if needed. Generate reports the same way, PDF and export Excel. SmartCarbonTrack is much more than a carbon calculator. It is complete carbon intelligent platform that combines data collection, analytics, AI prediction, KPI monitoring and automated reporting into one integrated solution. By helping industries measure today, predict tomorrow and optimize continuously, SmartCarbonTrack empowers organizations to move confidently towards their sustainability and net zero goals. Thank you.